Welcome to another tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to manage users from your profile. First, open your browser and go to opteze.com. Head over to the Download section and click Login. Enter your username and password to access your profile page. Now, at the top right corner, click on Profile and select My Profile. Here you'll see options to manage orders, users, plants and work centres. Let's create a new account for your merchant. Click Add New Merchant. Fill in the required details and click Add to create the new merchant. The merchant has now been created successfully. You can also update merchant details or delete the merchant whenever needed. Now you know how to manage merchants. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.